from the title of this video, I'll be showing you guys a hairstyle tutorial on how to do this hairstyle. This is the outcome, and I look good. Enjoy!
You'll need your got-to-be freeze spray, your eco styling gel, rubber bands, hair ties, a brush, a slicking comb, and a 3-pack of braiding hair. Also, you can find all of this at any local beauty supply.
Okay, so what we're going to start with is untangling our hair. Okay, so now what we're going to do is put the eco styling gel all around and form a ponytail. Put it at any, wherever you want it placed. And yeah, make sure everything is secure and slick it really good. Okay, so now what you're going to do is bring out all of your baby hairs that you would like to style towards the end, and yeah, just make sure that you don't get them caught up into your ponytail. Now that you have everything secured, put it in a ponytail and make sure that it's tight. Well, I like mine's tight, so put it up to your liking. Make sure you have it in the spot that you want. But for extra securement, I put got-to-be freeze spray and continuously just brushing back every single flyaway. I don't know about you guys, but the flyaways literally drive me insane. So okay, so now that we have everything in place, we're going to get into the synthetic braiding hair. What we're going to do is start with the parting process and get everything ready to start braiding. So what I like to do is brush my fingers through the synthetic braiding hair just to remove any excess shedding. So what you're going to do now is remove all the rubber bands from each bundle, leaving one with just one rubber band, and I will explain why in just a second. So what I'm doing now is I'm parting each one of my bundles into two. Now, depending on how thick you want your braid, you should decide on how thick each part should be. Okay, so now that we have each bundle parted, we are going to go to that bundle where you left the rubber band on, and what you're going to do is just wrap it around your real hair and put it into a ponytail as if you were just putting up a regular ponytail. And make sure that the synthetic braiding hair falls over your real hair. And then after that, you're going to take out a small piece of hair, which we use towards the end, and then start braiding from there. So as you're braiding, you're going to add each piece of hair that you parted on the side. So I'm not really sure how exactly to explain this, but what I do is I put it under and I braid it along with each braid. Okay, so given the fact that I have really thick hair, which makes my ends super bulky, as I was braiding, I was grabbing a little bit of my eco styling gel just to secure it and so that I wouldn't have any extra hair poking out. very extra. I wanted this braid to be very long. So once I started getting lower and lower, I could no longer reach it. So what I did was just bring it up, and then you can see me holding it down with my head. So once you get towards the ending of your braid, you're going to want to secure it with a small rubber band. So now that you've got that done, what you're going to do with that piece of hair you took out earlier is you're going to wrap it around your braid, giving it a more neat look. And as you're wrapping it around, you're going to spray your Got To Be Free spray to keep it in place. Okay, so now once you get to the very end of wrapping that hair, you're going to secure it with a bobby pin. And here I am filling myself because I look fantastic. Now lastly, what I'm doing is my baby hairs. As you can see, I do take a while to do these because I am a perfectionist, but it does not have to be perfect. And what I used on my baby hairs was just a small amount of eco styling gel. You can style them to however you like. Here I am doing the last parts, but yeah, this is how I do this style. And now after this, I'm gonna get ready and take pictures. Thank you all for watching.
Bad bitch alert, bad bitch alert, bad bitch alert, oh yeah, she a bad one, oh yeah, she a bad one.